Hi everyone, I am Deck Cadet Lloyd Sharma.
I am Deck Cadet Carol Janmadu.
And I am Deck Cadet Carmo T. Weber.
And I am Deck Cadet Sanchez Micaraisi.
And I am Deck Cadet Norris Carpenter.
This is our final output in Mach 121.
Patterns in numbers are significant for comprehending our world. Numbers serve as a universal language, unveiling order and harmony in phenomena like the golden ratio and Fibonacci sequence. In human pursuits, patterns in numbers underpin mathematics, science, technology, facilitating prediction, data analysis, and interpret construction. By acknowledging and utilizing patterns in numbers, we enhance understanding, drive innovation, and reveal the infiniteness of our universe.
Mathematical language and symbols are important in various fields, offering a precise and concise means of communicating complex ideas. Symbols like numbers, variables, and operators represent and manipulate mathematical relationships and languages. They are essential for precise calculations, modeling real-world phenomena, problem solving, and technological advancements. Mathematics employs the three basic concepts such as sets, functions, relations, and binary operators, providing a common language to share knowledge and innovation of numerous domains.
Problem solving and mathematical reasoning are essential and widely applicable across domains. They offer systematic approach to address complex problems, enabling analysis, pattern and identification, and logical solutions. And mathematical reasoning aids in hypothesis formulation, accurate predictions, and verifying conjunctions. Developing problem solving, mathematical reasoning enhances critical thinking, fosters innovation, and enables efficient navigation of challenges.
Geometric design are essential in architecture, engineering, and graphic design. Because of their precision, symmetry, and mathematical properties, they enable the creation of structure, layouts, and patterns. They also play a vital role in graphics and manufacturing, facilitating the development and specific shape and precise measurements. Geometric designs are served a universal language from and function, fostering creativity and problem solving.
The mathematics of finance is important in various aspects of our lives, offering valuable insights into how individuals make informed choices. Simple and compound interest calculation enable us to understand how money grows over time, allowing us to make savings and investment decisions. Understanding credit cards help us manage our finances wisely. Banks, stocks, mutual funds involve mathematical analysis to evaluate risk, returns, and diversifications. Lastly, home ownership involves intricate financial calculations such as equity growth, which aid determining affordability and long-term finance stability. Overall, a strong foundation in mathematics of finance is indispensable for navigating complex financial landscape and making sound monetary decisions.
And I am Sanchez Micaraisi. Mathematical language and symbols are important in various fields.
And I am Deck Cadet Sanchez Micaraisi.
And I am Deck Cadet Crisader Cahes.